everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Favor, and today we're making something really simple and obviously affordable for everyone to buy. But before we start making the custard, please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post in a new video, you get notified. Well, let's get on. In a kettle, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water, and then I'll put this on. Okay, now in a bowl, I've added in little water in it. So I'm just going to open up the custard sachet. Okay, you can get a scissors to open it. Okay, now I'll put it into a bowl. So I'm going to mix it really well until it's well combined. Since this is going to take time, please, I'll have to pause this so I can continue. Okay, now mix it one last time, and now we're done. Now our water is ready. You can see little vapors coming out from it. So I'm just going to off the gas cooker and then pour in the water and kindly stir. I pour in little water, I stop and look at the way it is. Then I'll mix again and pour in more hot water. Now I'm just going to stir this for some time. Okay, now I found out that it's not well mixed, so I'm going to be adding more water to it. Okay, that's really okay. Now this is what it will look like. This is what it will look like when you have mixed it. So if you don't like it liquidy consistency, you can mix it for more time, and after mixing it for more time, it will turn jelly. Okay, now at this point, I'll let it to cool for like 2 minutes. At its cooling, I'm just going to pause this for it to cool down. Not cooling down, so I'm just going to put in a cube of sugar to it, and then with the help of my spoon, I'm going to like dissolve the sugar. Okay, now I'm going to mix it really well after dissolving the sugar. Okay, now if you want, you could serve this. You could make this with over Milo or Ovaltine or any powder, but I prefer using milk for this. Full powder milk. So I'm just going to open this small and then take a tablespoon. Okay, then take 1 more tablespoon. I don't want it heaped. Okay. Now set this aside and mix. You can see the color is changed. That's why I love making this today. Okay, now guys, our custard is ready to be served. It's ready to eat. It's really good. Okay, now let me taste it. This is so yummy. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you guys for watching my video today. Hope to see you next time. Bye.